Today, let's make some corn muffins. Start by taking a box of your corn muffin mix, and you're going to first look in the back of the box to look at the recipe. A recipe tells us the amount of ingredients needed to make something. So in this case, we're making corn muffins. So you pour the corn muffins into a bowl. Use a measuring cup because you're going to need that to measure how much milk you need to put in your mix. Crack open an egg. So you pour your milk, you pour that in your mix along with your eggs. And then you take what's called a whisk. That's what you see me doing here. And I'm basically whisking, or in other words, stirring all the ingredients together. And you want to do that to make sure it's nice and smooth. This is very important. If it's not smooth, then when you bake the corn muffins, it will come out lumpy, and you don't want lumpy. So you want to make sure it's nice and smooth. You need to use oil. Some people like to use butter, but you want to always oil your pan. In this case, we're using a muffin pan, and that's why you see 6 cups like this. I like to use my fingers, or sometimes I take a tissue to wipe the oil around inside the cup. You want to make sure that not just the bottom is covered with oil, but the sides. I decided to use a spoon to scoop it like this and then put it inside the baking cup. And they're ready to go. You're going to set your oven, and pretty much that's it. You put it in. It generally takes 15 to 20 minutes for it to bake. It depends on how high your temperature is. The higher the temperature, the shorter the time it will cook. You'll notice it starts to cook when you see the muffins rising. Another way to check to make sure they're done is you will see that they have risen. Also, they will look golden brown. You can use a toothpick to test to make sure that the inside is completely dry. You can use a knife to just touch the outer part of the muffin. So when you do this, the muffin should easily slide out. And this is the reason why we use oil, so it can easily slide out.